What is up, YouTube? It is I, clutchmarles, and I'm back. We're rocking a W body. I've been in the process the last couple days. Bought this thing, said it needed head gaskets, so I put some head gaskets on. Didn't think about filming it until I was done. We got the majority of it stripped. We're going to try to take fuel cell, the cage, and these beautiful front tires, and we're gonna throw them on this, and we're gonna go party this Friday night somewhere in Kentucky. I don't know the fucking town. I'll Google it once I'm loaded on the trailer and headed east. But this car is money green, and I think we can get in the money with it. As sad as it may be, I think the Blizzard Bash car, we are about to start cutting her up. You know, we got August in 2 days. Then Blizzard Bash is in 3 months, and I don't want to try building a Blizzard Bash car in the last month before the Derby. So I want to start cutting this up, at least get the new Blizzard Bash car in here, get the body off the frame, start going through it. And then I got this old Dodge 318. I had it bored 30 over, had the heads rebuilt, and then I found out to build a Dodge motor is like 3 times the cost to build a Chevy motor. So I let it sit for 10 years, never put it together. All the engine builders I talked to, they say don't run Mopar unless you got like 10 engines and parts sitting around, because it's just fucking expensive. So let it sit for 10 years, put it on Facebook Marketplace. A guy messaged me today and said, hey, do you want to trade that for a running, driving four-wheeler? I said, come on with it. You know, I'm probably going to get hurt. Probably going to end up in the hospital. It's just a little 250. Maybe it's not enough power to get me hurt, but, you know, it's been a while since I've been on a four-wheeler. But as far as Chevy parts go, paid $150 for this block, paid $100 for this block, $150 for this block. You can get Chevy blocks out the ass. Now, one of those is a 305, the other two is a 350. I got a 305 out in the yard that I bought in a car paid $300 for the whole car. Derbied it, won like $300 with the car. Still got the 305. Like, they're easy to come by. Not a lot of people are derbying Mopars. You got to get a special cradle, special transmissions. The timing is different. It's not 1-843-6572, which is a t-shirt I sell on my website, clutchmarlesmotorsports.com. But yeah, we do Chevy little cars, we do Chevy vans. Occasionally I do a Chevy full size, but when I do a Ford full size, we put a Chevy drivetrain in it. I'm a Chevy guy, what can I say? Even my daily driver is a Chevy. I don't know if I've talked about this on my podcast yet, Crashing Into History on Spotify, but I talked to Karina and we were going to drop out of the unified points. You know, I'm just trying to maintain a top 10 finish, and I think that pays like $1,000. When, you know, I'm traveling all over the country, there's county fairs around me that I could be winning $1,000 driving an hour away. Why drive to Ohio and Kentucky and all these places? So we said, you know, let's just stop doing it. Let's just run locally and make some fucking money, because that's what it's all about. Well, they've had like 3 or 4 point shows in the past couple weeks, and I'm still in the top 10. So I thought, you know what? If that's how it's going to be, put me back in, coach. So this Saturday, somewhere in Ohio, we are going to attempt to run. I don't know what town it is. Maybe Preble County, maybe Eaton. I feel like they're the same town. Chillicothe. Like I said, when she's on the trailer and we're headed that direction, I'll turn the GPS on and find out where the fuck I'm going. But until then, you know, yesterday's history, tomorrow's a mystery. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Kentucky, Ohio. You know, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, here on YouTube. Eventually I'll figure it out and let you guys know. Like I said, Friday night I think I'm derbying in Kentucky. Saturday, if everything goes good Friday night, we should be in Ohio. If you want me to come derby in your state in 2024, I'm holding a contest from June 1st to December 31st of this year. Whichever state orders the most merchandise, has the most orders from my website, we're going to go to that state next year. Currently, Utah is winning with like 16 orders. And then next, I think it's Illinois or Minnesota. One of them's got like 7, and then like 5, and then, you know, Indiana's like 3rd or 4th, something like that. So if you want to see me at your state next year, order from the website. Hit like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, because here we go.